In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on the DoorDash app. Whether you're updating your contact information due to a recent phone upgrade or simply want to ensure your details are current, this guide will help you smoothly navigate the steps required to make those changes. Let's dive straight into it. First, you're going to want to start by opening the DoorDash app on your device. This step is crucial, as accessing the app is required to make any changes to your account information. Once you've got the app opened, look towards the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a menu there with several options. What we're interested in is the account section, so go ahead and tap on that. The account section is essentially your hub on DoorDash, where all personal settings and preferences are held. Now you'll be redirected to your account page. Scroll down until you see an option that says Get Help. It can be easy to gloss over this, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right place, as scrolling too quickly might make you miss it. Once you've found the Get Help option, tap on it. This action will bring up a list of topics and common issues, a handy feature that DoorDash has implemented to make navigating problems a bit easier. Following that, on the upper right corner of your screen, you'll find a small question mark icon. This is where you can access more personalized support options. Tap on this icon. It will open up a chat area where you can communicate with DoorDash support directly. Here, it's important to verify the icon you're tapping on to ensure you're in the right section to request a change or address your concerns. If it doesn't pop up as described, double check to see if something might have been overlooked. Once you've entered the chat area, you'll see a text input box. This is where you'll want to type out your concerns or any assistance you require. Make it clear and mention that you're requesting to update your phone number associated with your account. Be sure to provide any additional details if requested, as this will speed up the process. DoorDash's customer support usually responds promptly, but having all your information ready can expedite any back and forth communication. That wraps up the process of changing your phone number on DoorDash. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is essential for account security and seamless delivery experiences. Thank you for following along with this guide. Feel free to drop a comment if you have questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day!